So I'm out for a walk today at the Reading Public Museum, and I just came across this tree stump that has all of these mushrooms growing. That's a lot of mushrooms. The little baby mushrooms, but that's all of them there. I'm at the intersection here where I'm about to go over the bridge, and that's a very busy road. I think that might be Park Road right there. I'm not exactly, no, it's not Park Road. I forget which road that is, but yeah, just thought I'd... Come on, buddy.
Well, first it was jumping, you know, we're talking in
Exactly, yeah. Look what I found. I think that is a blue heron. Or could it be that I'm seeing my first green heron? Someone in the comments, I'm sure, will let me know which one this is. He's hunting for his food.